If you search Phidias Panayotu on YouTube, a bunch of challenges, pranks, and other crazy things that he has done pops up. But in the world of politics, where anything and everything is possible, this twist will surprise you. 24-year-old Phidias Panayotu, a YouTube prankster known for his outrageous stunts, made his way from our screens to a seat in the European Parliament representing Cyprus. This unexpected victory has left political pundits in shock as the social media star secured 19.4% of the vote, ranking third behind established parties. Phidias, who boasts over 2.6 million subscribers on YouTube, gained fame for his wild antics, including trying to hug 100 celebrities, spending 10 days in a coffin, and traveling for free on public transport in various countries. He even faced flack for traveling for free in Bengaluru Metro when he jumped over the barriers onto the platform. His bid for the European Parliament started as a whimsical challenge, but his popularity and ability to engage young voters turned it into a serious political campaign. Phidias, who describes himself as a professional mistake maker, first announced his candidacy in January during an appearance on Cypriot TV, where he admitted knowing little about politics but expressed a desire to change the status quo. In an interview, he even admitted that he had never once voted, but that he was tired of the continued rule of nerds in Brussels. And while saying all of this, he was wearing trainers, shorts, and a suit jacket, along with 3 neckties. In April, Phidias submitted his candidacy as an independent, with the goal of motivating young people to participate in politics. His candidacy was initially seen as a joke, but his message resonated with younger voters who felt disconnected from traditional political parties. He's also consulting with his followers and subscribers to make big decisions, like if he should contest as an independent or join a party, saying that he is the voice of all voters in that democracy. Phidias' impact on the election was undeniable. Voter turnout in Cyprus rose to nearly 59%, up from 45% in 2019 elections. Analysts attributed this increase to the Phidias factor, with exit poll data showing that he captured over 40% of the votes from the 18 to 24 age group and 28% from the 25 to 34 age group. Last year, he was on a mission to hug Elon Musk, which he successfully completed after spending 3 months outside Musk's office. And guess what? His hero congratulated him on his victory. Musk shared a video of how he got into politics on social media, congratulating him on his success. The tweet quickly went viral. All eyes are now on this professional mistake maker as he navigates his way through politics. I'm Deepthi Rao. You are watching India Today, So South.